everyone, welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing great. So my friends, here you can see 14 candles are there because today is pre-Diwali. From today's video title you already know this is my Diwali vlog, and tomorrow is actual Diwali. Tomorrow is Sunday and today is Saturday. So in our tradition, usually from my childhood I have been seeing that my moms and then I have seen many of my relatives, they light up 14 candles, 14 diyas, and this is how we celebrate the day before Diwali. And tomorrow I light up more candles in my home. So this way we celebrate pre-Diwali, and tomorrow is actual Diwali. Tomorrow in the dinner time we are going to celebrate it in our friend's place. But today we are all alone, me and Vikram, but today we are enjoying our very relaxed and very happy Diwali time at home. And because it's weekend, this is the best thing. So Vikram is also there. He is also coming to wish you all a very happy Diwali. And here you can see 14 diyas I have organized here. So now I'll put all the diyas, all the candles, actually all the corners in my home. And also today in the night time I'll be preparing special dinner, and that also I'll share with you all because I always love to make special food in special occasion. Today is not any diet plan or any diet recipe related videos. Today it's all about what you want to eat, you can want, because today is Diwali, and at the celebration time we Indians love to have lots of yummy food. So today I'll be making some fish preparation, I'll make some chicken kebab and also a rice preparation. So whatever I'll eat, I'll definitely share with you all, and also I'll share the full recipe. In my kitchen I have organized everything. So now after talking to you, after putting everything in the place, all the diyas, 14 diyas, then I'll go and I'll make some food. So okay, now Vikram is coming to tell you happy Diwali. So please come. Today we are very happy because it's Saturday. Last year Diwali was in weekdays, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So
happy Diwali, all of you. So hope you have a wonderful Diwali and prosperous Kali Puja, who are here in Bengali.
Yeah.
So we celebrate both.
We celebrate both actually. Yeah, Diwali and Kali Puja both we celebrate. You can come closer in this.
Yes.
So my friends, in my home I have already put off most of the lights, so light is little less because I just love it this way. See, I think this is more festive. And here in Denmark we hardly find any cracker sound or anything. Nothing, no sound is there. It's a very soundless Diwali. Quite Diwali we are celebrating here,
but Diwali is all about lights, not sound.
Exactly, Diwali is all about light, and I will also suggest you all, my friends. So don't do any noise pollution, also air pollution. Too much of using crackers and everything always harm our nature. So please take care of our mother nature too in this Diwali time. But yeah, tomorrow we are going to at our friend's place, so we'll have dinner together. Excited for our
for special dinner, pre-Diwali dinner.
Pre-Diwali dinner, because you know what is happening. We Bengalis and we celebrate Durga Puja in a very big way, and this year we did Durga Puja here in Aalborg. So after Durga Puja, we just had lots of back-to-back, celebration, potlucks, everything. So today, actually, me and Vikram, we both are going to have some special food together because most of the weekends after and before Durga Puja, we were celebrating with friends. So today, just me and Vikram. Cozy, relaxed, pre-Diwali evening.
And then probably tomorrow we'll have a...
tomorrow we'll have a very good get together at friends.
And now here you can see I'm placing all the candles, 14 candles today, and tomorrow I'll put more candles. So please my friends, I also would love to know how you have organized your home, how you have decorated your home in Diwali. So please let me know in the comment section. Now before going to kitchen and start my cooking, I just want to enjoy my favorite tea time with Bikram. Yes, this time we are lucky that Diwali is in weekend. Today is Saturday, so we can enjoy our tea time with each other. So we are enjoying our tea with our favorite biscuit.
So my friends, now we are done with our evening, not evening, it's almost night time. So yes, we have enjoyed our afternoon tea. We are done with our tea session, and now I'll go to the kitchen. Before changing this dress, I'll show you how I have organized everything. Then probably I'll go and change my dress because this top is okay, but this skirt is silk skirt, so I don't prefer to do my cooking with this kind of silk dress or synthetic. I'll wear some cotton dress and then I'll do the cooking. I'll share this with you all, everything. The cooking will be in details today. And okay, so that's it. Now let's go to my kitchen and I'll share these things with you all. Now Vikram will watch some probably match in the TV, and he's telling me he can help me in cooking, but today I will not need any help from him. I just want to cook it myself. You can help me in cutting and chopping the salad.
Okay.
So he will help me to cut and chop. So here's my friends, now I am in my kitchen and these are the preparation that I have done. First of all, I just want to show you, I have soaked my basmati rice here. Here I have cut some onions, tomatoes, green chili. Here is my fish. For chili fish, here is my chicken for chicken kebab. Here I have made a batter for frying the fish, and here is some green chili, onion, tomatoes, everything for the chicken kebab. So these are the preparation that I have done. Now I'll take out all my masalas and everything from here. So yes, now I'll start my cooking, but before that I will just change my dress and then I'll start the cooking. So please keep watching.
Now here you can see in my basmati rice, in my soaked basmati rice, I have added some salt and turmeric powder and now 1 tablespoon of ghee, and now I'll mix everything all together and then I'll keep it aside for another 10 minutes. Then I'll make a very simple pulao. Here in the oil I have added 2 pieces of cloves, 2 bay leaves, then 3 pieces of cardamom, and then I have added marinated basmati rice. Now I am mixing everything together. I have already shared this recipe in my channel. You can see it if you want to see it in details. I think this sweet Bengali style pulao recipe is the most easiest recipe, and now I am adding raisins, and also here is my garam masala powder. Again I am giving it a very good mix and then I'll add water. For 2 cups of rice, here I have added 3.5 cup of water. When I make pulao in rice cooker, this is my measurement, and now I'll place everything in my rice cooker. Within just 15 to 20 minutes my pulao will be ready. Now I am frying my fish pieces for my fish tikka masala. So my friends, here in the batter I have added maida or all-purpose flour, then little bit of baking powder, salt and little amount of sugar, black pepper powder and just a cumin powder. Then I made this batter. And here I am done with my fish frying. You can see my fish pieces are absolutely ready. So now I have started making my fish tikka masala. So my friends, first of all, in the oil here I have added some garlic. For some good flavor, I always prefer to add garlic first, and then 1 by 1 green chili and onion. Frying the onion for a few minutes. Now here I am adding tomatoes, and now again I am giving it a very good mix. Now one thing I want to tell you my friends, I never use this type of masala in my everyday cooking. This is actually pre-mixed masala paste, but yes, whenever I make special food in special days, once in a while I use it. So this is tikka masala paste which I am adding now. Now everything is mixed together properly and nicely, like masalas, onion, tomatoes. So this is the perfect time to add some warm water into it. And now here I am adding my fish pieces. So just be very gentle because fish pieces are very soft and very tender. And now I am mixing everything together. And now here on top I am adding some dhania patta for extra flavor and extra taste. For 3 to 4 minutes in low to medium flame. Now here is my fish tikka masala is absolutely ready. Delicious tikka masala. And now finally I am making chicken kebab. So my friends, in the chicken keema I have added ginger garlic paste, and then I have added little bit of oil, all the Indian spices like garam masala, jeera powder, dhania powder and red chili powder. Then I added coriander leaves, little bit of salt, sugar and black pepper powder, and then I am mixing everything together. Also I have added lemon juice. Now look at this, how nicely I can make these chicken kebabs. For the binding I have added some maida into the mixture and then I waited for 10 minutes. Now here I am making my chicken kebabs. So in the oil, very little amount of oil I have taken in the non-stick pan. I am making these kebabs. In low to medium flame we have to fry our kebabs. Just look at this, it's looking very delicious and super tempting, and it's so easy to make. Here is my chicken kebab, is looking super delicious. It's absolutely ready now. And there in the rice cooker my rice is also ready. Just look at this, and my fish is ready. And now it's time to plate my food. Time to place everything in one plate so that I can make a very delicious non-veg platter. First of all, here I have put my rice, my pulao in this way. Now I am placing some salad on the side, and then I'll put the kebabs in this part. 1, 2, 3. And now it's time to add some fish on side. And this is a complete non-veg platter and 1 green chili on top. So this is how I have organized everything on my dining table. So my friends, I always love to enjoy my meal in this way. Whenever we are enjoying a special day, I think we should decorate our food in a little special way. So this is how it looks like. And here Bikram is enjoying the meal and he was telling me that all the items were just fabulous. He was enjoying everything. Look at his expression. So yeah, he was enjoying the food. So I was absolutely happy. And with this beautiful lovely note, we ended our Saturday pre-Diwali special dinner.
Hey everyone, today is Sunday. As I told you my friends, today we are going to have dinner at our friend's place. And look at my beautiful home, it's home sweet home. Today Bikram has organized everything. So I was getting ready and he has organized everything. Here you can see. So I'll give you a quick 360-degree look of my living room. So yeah.
And here you can see me and Bikram, we were in the bus. We are going to our friend's place and I was wearing a sari with jacket and scarf, everything.
So my friends, now we are on the way to go to our friend's place and we are almost there. It's feeling so weird. I'm wearing this traditional outfit and nobody in this road is wearing this type of outfit. So yeah, I'm feeling super different today.
Nivedita and Bisho and Debu and Archana, they are my new friends here in Denmark. They just moved from India to Denmark just 4 weeks back. And Bisho and Debu and Bikram, they work in the same office. So they are very known to each other. They are very good friends. And I'm very happy to meet them all here in this beautiful city. And we really enjoyed the Diwali night with each other. After that, we did a lot of dancing, fashion show and whatnot. Then delicious food. And now Piku and Dishita, they both are enjoying the cake cutting session. So my friends, in my Durga Puja vlogs, you have already seen my Bengali friends. So now you are seeing my another group of friends, and I'm truly blessed to have them all in my life.
গাজর কা হালুয়া ওয়াও এই তো ব্যাপক হলো যেটা ফুলে রাখো গুড়টা কি হলো এটা ব্যাপক ফুলেছে
Just like my Durga Puja vlogs, here also I cannot add any music with my dancing clip. But yes, we were dancing the Senorita song, lots of Bollywood and English songs they were playing, and we were enjoying the dancing. And here, just see me and Bikram. And here is the little princess, Nivedita and Bishwa's beautiful daughter. And she was so adorable. Look at her. She was enjoying the dancing. She was also dancing. Just look at her. And Dishita, Debu and Archana's daughter also was dancing. And after a lot of fun, now we all were enjoying this very delicious dinner, typical Indian style vegetarian dinner, and I absolutely loved it. The dalema Nivedita made, it was super delicious. It was Orissa's special recipe. And Archana, she made this gajar ka halwa and it was super delicious too. Also, Nivedita made some chutney. So it was altogether a fantastic vegetarian style dinner. So my friends, Saturday and Sunday, both the days we enjoyed our dinner, different style of dinner, but we enjoyed the both. And that's all from today's video, my friends. I hope you have really enjoyed it. In Saturday, I have shared full dinner recipe with you all. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please try it in your home and please let me know how you enjoyed it. And also on Sunday, we enjoyed our Diwali special time with our friends. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new vlog, with a brand new video. So tata bye bye, love you, take care, stay positive, stay happy.